Hi. This is a short presentation on early adopters. This will help your business do more with less, with clear visibility. It will reduce risk, complexity, and reduce costs by at least 10% within your business. Beginning with what early adopters are, why they are used, and how they work. The Early Adopters Actionlytic involves end users in organizations who want to be among the first to try new technologies, especially software. They confirm their interest every 6 months, get early access to software updates, receive direct messages from clear visibility about new releases, and can share feedback with the software governance team. Being part of early adopters helps an organization by having a group of people trying out new tech first. They give feedback, making sure things work well for everyone, and help decide how to use new software. The early adopter process involves inviting application owners to join, sending automatic emails with information, engaging users in trying out changes, and collecting valuable feedback for effective system improvements. Benefits of Early Adopters Actionlytic process. Early Adopters Actionlytic ensures software changes are trialed first. Rapid issue identification. Early adopters assist in promptly identifying potential issues or challenges with new software changes, enabling proactive resolution before widespread implementation. User-centric improvements. By involving end users early, the process ensures that software updates align with user needs and preferences, fostering a user-centric approach to system enhancements. How Early Adopters Actionlytic process works. Application owners are invited to join the early adopters by adding them to the Discovery Collection in the Early Adopter Collection class. An automatic email is sent, containing a link to a document explaining what being an early adopter means. Users decide if they want to be an early adopter or not. If they decline, they move to the Out-of-Scope collection. If they agree, they go to the Ready collection and are involved whenever there's a change. Early adopters receive emails about changes and are asked to try them out first, finding any issues. They can respond with feedback through email or join discussions on our Microsoft Teams for early adopters. There are several business engagement activities that should be actioned before activating. There is a number of steps which should be done for each actionlytic listed at the start of this book. However, there are specific ones for the Early Adopter Actionlytic. Push new changes in AD. Agree the early adopter change process using an AD group. Update third-party CMDB. Agree the process and access to update any third-party CADBs. Agree the process with Service Desk. Give Service Desk access to CV to enable them to track early adopter issues. Confirm the response on CV to an end user who gives feedback on a change. Review other associated processes. The following steps are required for technical setup. Enable Actionlytic. Create a generic email for the early adopter process. This enables the end users to communicate directly with the early adopter administrators and for the administrator to see bounced emails. Review messages. Add the generic email address to the emails by selecting the mail icon for each collection. Review and update the mailers sent in the process by selecting the mail icon for each collection. Add administrators. Add your administrator, user IDs, to the Early Adopters Admin collection. This will assign all Early Adopters admin tasks to these users. Add stakeholders. Add your stakeholders, user IDs, to the Early Adopters report collection. This will then send a PF of the dashboard each month. Run a pilot for 10 users. Go live with the early adopter process. The following administration tasks are automatically generated while running the Actionlytic. Add user ID to Discovery Collection weekly. Admin will add user ID into Discovery Collection. Initially add app owners into Discovery Collection as a starting point. Identify changes monthly. Review the upcoming changes and create communication for each change. Set up change collection monthly. Create collection and add mailer with communication, and add comms to Microsoft Teams team. Add user to change collection weekly. Add all ready users to change collection before change happens. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or want to know more, please feel free to contact me.